Hello, beautiful people. It's a beautiful morning from the side. Anyways, you're welcome back to the channel. It is your one and only Lady Jackson, bringing you this update as the 8-day hot. Now, of course, it is another update on the Big Brother Naija Season 8 All-Stars Season 2023 edition. And of course, yesterday I brought you an update as related to a post that was released by MultiChoice on the different changes that was made to the show. Now, of course, after that, they later released another one. And, it is my culture to bring you every update as it is hot, of course. So for those of you who didn't get to see my previous video, I'm just going to reiterate what I said yesterday and then get on into the new rules or into the new twist that was announced. Now, of course, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, watch this video till the end, click on the bell button to miss out on notification on every post I make, and I'll see you on the next one. Now, of course, the update is the fact that there have been changes to the different days and the activities for the days. Now, of course, every Monday was typically the head of house challenge, but now it is called the Black Envelope Challenge, which means it's going to change totally. It's going to change in a whole different way, and that's going to be Mondays by 7 p.m. Now, head of house challenge was usually by 5:30, 6 p.m. every Mondays, but that has changed. The next change is the diary room sessions, which will now be on Tuesdays and Wednesdays from 1 p.m. to probably 6 p.m. Now, we don't know if it's going to take that long or lesser, but however way, that's what it's going to be. And then the next change is a tax and presentation, which was usually Thursdays, but now it's going to be Tuesdays and Saturdays, and it's going to be from 4 p.m. I think 4 p.m. to 7 or 8 p.m. And then, of course, the next change is a pool party and grill. That is going to be on Thursdays by 8 p.m. Till maybe 2-3 hours later. It's going to end, I think, till 10 or 11. And then, of course, Saturday night party is now Saturday night rave, and it's going to be starting by 9 p.m. Ooh, they extended the time. Before, I think it was 7 or 8 p.m., but of course, it's now 9 p.m. and it's going to be crazy. On Sundays will be the live eviction shows, and I cannot wait on how crazy and massive that is going to be. Like, oh my God. These changes are unique, and they just bring the fact that, a lot of people have been complaining that the All-Star season might be boring because they were expecting it to, get to season 10 before they would expect an All-Stars. These changes and twists would actually bring a whole lot. And I cannot say enough thank you to the organizers and the changes. Now, another changes is now the tax presentations, and even the Black Envelope games might just be diversified into the Biggiverse tournament. Now, according to their post, assemble your team. We will get to see where they will pair each season against each season. So we would see the Pepper them against the Shinier Eye season. We're going to see the Lockdown season versus the Double Wahala season. And we're going to see them interchange like that. Like, it's going to be an interchange. It's not going to be like every time they have the Biggiverse tournament, it's going to be the specific ones. And then we're going to see the CeeC versus the Level Up, which is going to be crazy because I think CeeC is one of the earliest seasons, and then versus the last season. Ooh la la. I'm loving everything that's happening. What if Biggie now, pairs them himself? However, we're ready. Now, again, just to update you guys, for those of you who haven't gotten to see my previous video and are wondering, how do I get to watch the show? Now, the show starts on the 23rd of July 2023. That is this weekend on Sunday. It's going to air on DSTV channel 198 in Nigeria, and then on GoTV channel 29 in Nigeria. Now, for previous season, like the Level Up season and some other seasons, we've seen where they aired on channel 2 and 6 on GoTV. We've seen where they've aired on different channels on DSTV. So if you're not from Nigeria, you can also get to check that, which where it airs on your in your country. So just refresh and update your subscription and you might get to see it on Africa Magic Showcase or Africa Magic Urban or even Africa Magic Family if you don't see it on channel 198. That's just how it's going to be. They've also updated that, you know, for people in what's the country? There are about 49 countries in Africa that it's going to air, and including Uganda. Now, for Ugandans, if you're using DSTV, I think it will still maintain channel 198 or any other of the channels I mentioned previously. But for GoTV, it will air on GoTV channel 329. Yes, channel 329 in Uganda. So get your subscriptions updated, refresh the channel, and you'd get to see it on your screen waiting for the grand opening on Sunday. And I think that's going to be by 7 p.m. 7 p.m. if I'm not mistaken. It's gonna be by 7 p.m. Now, for those of you who are not in Nigeria, who are not in Africa, who are in, you know, Europe, UK, Australia, the Ireland, in the US, you can get to watch the show too when you get to download the DSTV, my DSTV app. Make a subscription for the premium package. You can get to see it on Showcase. Download the Showcase app and subscribe for their premium package, and you get to live stream the show 2/7. Anytime you're at work, you're in school, you're at home, you're sit at home 9 to 5 kind of business person, you work from home, you can watch the show fully. And of course, it's just going to be a massive craze on the Big Brother Naija show. And for those of you who won't get the chance to do that, I'm going to be bringing you all the updates day in, day out. I mean, every little thing that is happening in the house, you will get it on this channel, from the morning workouts to the breakfast, to the gossips, to the drama, the fights, the chaos, everything. Not forgetting the midnight or the nighttime sleep time sessions, the dinner times, the gossip, the backstabbing, everything, and even back to the live eviction shows and everything that Ebuka is going to disrupt. I am ready. I just hope you're ready too, because I see they hot, I got it cause chaos.
Legends go head to head as timelines have collapsed for the ultimate showdown. Welcome to Big Brother Naija All Stars. Starts 23rd July.
My name is Ebuka Obiuchendu, and it's nice to be with you again for